Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Once again welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 11th mathematics chapter number 3, we are going to solve the exercise 3.3. Students, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Let's start the video, students. Okay students, here has been the table through which we can determine the sign of cos and sine in different quadrant. Right students, already we have discussed all these things, so you can memorize these things and you can apply all these things in solving the trigonometric equation. Right students, here we know that sine pi by 2 plus alpha cos alpha, sine pi by 2 cos pi by 2 plus minus alpha minus plus sine alpha, tan pi by 2 plus minus alpha cot plus minus cot alpha, cot pi by 2 plus minus alpha, so plus minus plus tan alpha. Similarly students, for pi plus minus alpha, sine pi plus minus alpha minus plus sine alpha, cos pi plus minus alpha minus cos alpha, tan pi plus minus alpha plus minus tan alpha. In this way students, you can memorize this table which will be helpful to solving the trigonometric equation. Right students? Now moving to the next table. Values of sine, cos, tan and cot function at different angle. Students, all these things we have studied in our first video lesson. I hope you have learned all these things. Students, just you will have to write all these things in your notebook, through which we can get the ideas how to substitute the values of trigonometric function at a different angle. Right students? Trick how to derive this table, right? Trick of this preparing this table already we have discussed in first video lecture. So students, so let us apply these tables and values of trigonometric function at different angle to solving trigonometric. Here has been the first question. Prove that sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Students, we have to prove over here. Just we have to substitute the values of trigonometric function at different angles. So write down LHS. Sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Right student? So what is the value of sine square pi by 6? 1 by 2 whole square. Cos square pi by 3, 1 by 2 whole square. Tan square pi means 1 square. So 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4. Again 1 by 4 minus 1. Now solving 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So we are getting 2 by 4 minus 1. Now cancelling here. So we are getting 1 by 2 minus 1. So we are getting 1 minus 2 divided by 2. So minus 1 by 2. Okay students, here we have proved LHS is equal to RHS. Now moving to the second question. Prove that 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Right students? So let us see the solution. Writing the LHS term. 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Right? Now substituting the value of sine square pi by 6. So 2 into sine square pi by 6, 1 by 2 whole square, plus cosec square 7 pi by 6. So we can split this in form of pi plus pi by 6. So we know and cos square pi by 3 as it is, right? So 2 into 1 by 4. Now we know that cosec pi plus pi by 6 cosec square pi by 6 because square over here, so cos square pi by 3. Now we have to substitute the values of cosec pi by 6. So 4 will be cancelled by 2, so we are getting 1 by 2 plus 2 square, and cos square pi by 6 is 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4, right? So 4 will be cancelled, so 1 by 2 plus 1, so solving this fraction, so 3 by 2, right students? So here you can see that the formulas of cosec pi plus pi plus theta. So cosec pi plus theta, what, minus cosec theta, but here is been the cosec square, so the sign will be positive, right student? Now moving to the next question. Prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosec phi pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. So writing the LHS term for the solution. So LHS term is cot square pi by 6 plus cosec phi pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6, right student? Now substitute value of cot pi by 6, so root 3 whole square. Now cosec phi pi by 6 can be splitted as pi minus pi by 6, right? Plus 3, tan pi by 6 is what? 1 by root 3 whole square, right? So root 3 whole square will be 3 plus cosec pi minus pi by 6, so it is in second quadrant, in cos will be positive, so cosec pi by 6, so 3 into 1 by 3, 3 cancelled, so 3 plus cosec pi by 6 students, the value of cosec pi by 6, 2 plus 1, right? So 3 plus 2 plus 1, we are getting 6. So this is RHS. Now the next question. Prove that 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to 10, right? So for the solution, writing the LHS term, 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3, right students? Now substituting the values, so here 3 pi by 4 can be splitted as pi minus pi by 4, 2 cos square pi by 4 as it is, plus 2 sec square pi by 3. So sin pi minus pi theta means second quadrant, sign will be positive, so 2 sin square pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 means 1 by 2 whole square, right? So 2 into 2 whole square, so we are getting what? 2 sin 2 whole square means 1 by root 2 whole square, so here is been what? Already whole square, so 1 by 2, so 2 into 4, so 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square will be what? 2 cancelled, so 1, and here is 8, 2 cancel, 1 plus 8, so we are getting what? 10. This is RHS. Now the question number 5. Find the value of sine 75 degree and tan 15 degree, right student? So let us solving the first one, sine 75 degree. So sine 75 degree can be written as sine 45 plus 30 degree. Now we know the formula of sine A plus B, so sine 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sine 30 by applying the formula of sine A plus B, right student? So sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, and cos 30 1 by 2. So solving these things, here we are getting root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2, right? Okay student. So second one is tan 15 degree. So tan 15 can be written as 45 minus 30. So applying the formula of tan A minus B. Tan A minus B. So tan 45 minus tan 30, right, divide by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30, right. Now substituting the values of tan 45, 1 minus 1 by root 3, right, divide by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. Now solving this fraction, 3 minus 1 and 3 plus 1. Now we can simplify these things. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1 by multiplying its conjugate of denominator. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 will be whole square. Here is 1 time plus 1 time minus. So a square minus b square. So 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 whole square. So applying the formula of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So solving over here we are getting what? 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So taking 2 as a common term. So we are getting 2 minus root 3, right. So which formula we have used over here? Sin a plus b. So sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. And for the tan, so tan a minus b is what, student? Tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to 2 sin 2x into sin 10x. Okay. So writing LHS term, sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. So students, we know the formula of sin is a square minus sin square b. Sin square a minus sin square b. So sin a plus b into sin a minus b, right. So sin 6x plus 4x, sin 6x minus 4x. So sin 6x plus 4x 10x and sin 6x minus 4x sin 2x. Okay students, which formula we have applied over here? Sin square minus sin square b. So we know that sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Okay. Now let us see the LHS term is equal to RHS term. Now let us moving to the next question. Prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. So writing LHS term, cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. So we know the formula of cos square a minus cos square b. So first of all we can change into sin. So we can write 1 minus sin square 2x and cos 6 square can be written as 1 minus sin square 6x. So of the bracket 1 minus sin square 2x minus 1 plus sin square 6x. 1 will be subtracted. So we are getting sin square 6x minus sin square 2x. Now applying the above formula of sin square a minus sin square b. So sin a plus b and sin a minus b. So sin 6x plus 2x into sin 6x minus 2x. So here we are getting sin 8x into sin 4x. Okay student. Now moving to the next question. Prove that cos 9x minus sin 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. Okay, so for the solution let us writing LHS term, cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x, right. So we know that the formula of cos c minus d. So minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x divided by 2 into sin 9x minus 5x divided by 2, and here in the denominator we will apply the formula of sin c minus sin d. So 2 cos 17x plus 3x divided by 2 and sin 17x minus 3x divided by 2, Right students, here we are solving. So first of all, writing the formula cos C minus cos D. So 2 minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, right? And other formula of sin C minus sin D. So 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, right? Now students, simplifying these terms over here. So here we are getting sin 9x plus 5x divided by 2, sin 7x and sin 2x, and here 2 will be cancelled out, so cos 10x and sin 7x. Sin 7x cancel, so we are getting minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. So this is what, students, this is RHS. Okay, the next question, prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. So writing the LHS term. So LHS term is sin 5x plus sin 3x, right? Sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x. Okay, so applying the formula of sin C plus D. So 2 sin 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. For cos C plus D, so 2 cos 5x plus 3x divided by 2 and cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2, right students? Which formula we have applied? Just write over here, sines for sin C plus sin D. So sin C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2, right? And for the denominator cos C plus cos D, so we can write what? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay, so here has been simplifying the term, 2 cancelled. So sin 5x plus 3x divided by 2, so 4x, cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2, so cos x, and here is cos 5x plus 3x divided by 2, cos 4x, and 5x minus 3x divided by 2, so cos will be cancelled out, so we are getting tan 4x. This is what? RHS term, right students? Here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood, students. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir G Maths. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end. Welcome you once again.